You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk spark plugs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. To access the spark plugs, you must remove the engine cover. Using a socket wrench and a T30 Torx socket, unscrew the 4 screws holding the engine cover. Then remove the engine cover. With a large screwdriver, carefully lever off the coil to release it. With a very thin flatted screwdriver, unclip the holding hooks on the power wire bundle for the coils. Then extract the coil by pulling it upwards by hand. Clear it so that it does not interfere with removing the spark plug. Using a socket wrench, an extender and a 16mm spark plug socket, release the spark plug. Finish it off by hand. Tip: if the spark plug wrench doesn't have a click system, to hold the spark plug and pull it out, you can use the coil. Insert it onto the plug and using the coil for the final turns, release the plug. You should then be able to take it out easily.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Take the new spark plug. Replace the new spark plug by inserting it directly into the spark plug socket, which will allow you to bring it delicately to the screwing support. There are several techniques for tightening the spark plugs. You can use a torque wrench and employ the torque setting recommended by the manufacturer. Or you can use an angular torque gauge to respect the recommended angle. We strongly recommend watching our tutorial how to tighten spark plugs before carrying out this step. Put the coil back, pushing it in as far as possible. You should hear a small click as it goes in. You can now repeat the same process on the other spark plugs. Once finished, put the wire bundle back in place, holding it in place by lowering the hooks. Put the engine cover back on. Then screw it back on. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.